Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the 3dx9_42.dll was not found or missing error on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, the first thing what I suggest you to do here is simply restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I suggest you to install latest version of Microsoft DirectX. And to do so, you just need to open a browser. Then you need to just write DirectX end user runtime, and it will be probably the first link here. Then hit download and download setup. So setup will look something similar to this. You just need to just press I accept agreement, deselect this option here, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, in a lot of times it will be by running the game or app. So if you run a game, you just need to open up a game client, for example, Steam, library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your files is corrupted. Then you need to go to browse here, find the exe file, right click on it, go to properties, and make sure on compatibility run this program as in compatibility mode 4 is deselected, as well as disable full screen optimizations. And if it's not working, then I highly suggest you to just reinstall the game just by going to installed apps on search. You just need to write installed apps, find the game, press on the dots and uninstall and reinstall again. And if it's not helping, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then on command prompt, you just need to write cfc / scan now, one word. And basically your system will begin the scan and as you can see here, there is a verification process. So they will check if there is some corrupted files on your machine, and after verification process is finished, they will fix your corrupted files. And if it's not the case, the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to update your operating system drivers as well as your GPU drivers. And to do so, you just need to open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update, then press check for updates or install all. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and then restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce Experience to that. I just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for my GPU, I can easily install it here. If you're using AMD Radeon, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that app similar to this. And always you can just go and open up on search device manager. And then here you just need to go to display adapters, expand this option, right click on your GPU, and then click update driver and search automatically for drivers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.